Morning friends, in my second video I will be talking about the treatment of keratoconus. Keratoconus can be stabilized by either stopping or slowing the progression of the disease or improving vision. We can stop or slow the progression of the disease by collagen cross-linking. Collagen cross-linking helps to stabilize the cornea and also prevents the bulging of the cornea. This helps to prevent the progression of the disease and also prevents the corneal transplant in future. Improving the vision can be done by either lenses, which may include soft contact lenses, spectacles, which may include hard contact lenses, hybrid lenses, piggyback lenses or scleral contact lenses. Eyeglasses or soft contact lenses can only be a treatment for keratoconus in early keratoconus. In cases of mild to moderate keratoconus, we need hard contact lenses, which are soft, rigid, gas permeable lenses. They are uncomfortable to wear with, but if any patient adapts to it, he has excellent vision. In case of piggyback lenses, in case of patients who are not able to tolerate the hard contact lenses, then we have piggyback lenses in which we give a soft lens and on the top of it we give a hard lens. Hybrid lenses. Hybrid lenses are again mode if the patient is not able to tolerate the hard contact lenses, then they have a softer rim outside with a rigid center and they are comfortable to the patient. Last of all, we have scleral contact lenses. Scleral contact lenses, they have their outer rim on the white part of the eye, which is known as the sclera, and the vault does not touch the cornea. So they have excellent vision and are very suitable to the patients with keratoconus. Other therapies include collagen cross-linking. Collagen cross-linking we do with a riboflavin dye and UV light treatment. This helps to stiffen the cornea by making more cross-links between the collagen fibrils and helps to reduce the dome shape of the cornea and also helps to reduce the bulge of the cornea. This is too good and it helps to stop the progression of the disease and also helps to prevent the corneal transplant in the future. Surgical modes include intracorneal stromal rings. They are synthetic rings which we insert in the cornea and they help to flatten the cornea and increase the vision. Other is the corneal transplant. Corneal transplant we do in cases of the extreme thinning of the cornea or scarred cornea. Then we take a healthy donor tissue from the other patient and we do a corneal transplant, which helps the patient to have increased vision. The most advanced treatment is the topo-guided PRK, which is the latest treatment which helps to reduce the refractive error. It reduces the refractive error along with C3R, along with collagen cross-linking, which is known as Athens protocol. This I will be discussing in my third video. Thank you all.